Hi, here's a quick video of the VF SSV. Just starting with the engine open to show you the OTR intake there. Also see the stainless exhaust down here. They've got the 20-inch KMC wheels. Inside, good condition. Driver's seat good for the kilometres. Rear seat's good as well. Steering wheel, no wear. So the roof's been wrapped black, obviously, but it's quite a good job. In the rear, I don't think he had his kids in the car too often. It's very tidy. Body wise, very good. The reason I've got the boot open, it's got an Alpine amp mounted up there. It's also got some aftermarket speakers installed here as well. I believe the front speakers, that's a 4-channel amp, I believe the front speakers are amped as well. So as you can hear, it does have quite a loud exhaust on it. All the documentation and services are in the glove box there. And that's a controller for the amplifier as well, so you can just adjust the gain with that. But yeah, everything works, car's in great condition. Definitely recommend checking it out if you can. And of course the sunroof operates perfectly as well. And also the tilt setting. Yep, all good. Thanks for watching.